Meaning of exultantly.
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 Exultantly. The word exultantly is an adverb that describes an action or emotion expressed with great joy or triumph. It implies a sense of jubilation and pride in one's achievement or success. When someone says or does something exultantly, they are likely to be displaying their happiness and excitement in a confident and exuberant manner. This could be reflected in their body language, tone of voice, or facial expressions. The result of behaving exultantly is a feeling of elation and satisfaction that comes from accomplishing something noteworthy or important.